Rieti, city of the Sabines, its ample and fertile plains. Seldom have I observed a more attractive scene than that offered by its towers and vineyards. In the words of Edward Lear, a 19th century English artist who was traveling through this land, an ancient city and the heart of Italy, with paths that can be traced from Sabines and Romans right up to the time of the popes. That's Rieti, with its characteristic medieval villages and countryside, Labro, Amatrice, the Gran Sasso National Park, the Laga Mountains, colored houses, little alleyways in towns perched on hilltops or along lakes, and then its architectural constructions, its underground caves and tunnels, such as the ancient Roman viaduct. The wealth of its uncontaminated nature and the character of its inhabitants is also reflected in the food produced. A simple but much appreciated dish is the amatriciana, which took its name from the little town of Amatrice, and is a variation on the older recipe for gricia, made without tomato sauce. The recipe, including tomato, appears for the first time in a cookbook from 1790, written by the Roman cook Francesco Leonardo. Rieti offers other quality products, such as its artisan beer and the antrodoco marrone, the most precious fruit of the traditional chestnut. A province waiting to be discovered through its historical and artistic, medieval and Renaissance beauty, for its characteristic scenery, its people, and the simple and genuine produce served at its tables.